Okay, so it's funny how you get to working on something, you realize that. So I think the problem is this hose is just not flexible enough. It's a 1/4 inch, Gates hose, fuel line hose. It's just really stiff. Okay, but the hose that I purchased for draining the radiator is actually a 1/4 inch fuel line hose. So it's got a lot more flexibility. So without kinking, still has a lot of strength, so it doesn't collapse. So using the same length hose, just cutting it, using the same length hose, I was able to resolve the issue, and it doesn't look bad. I know, looking at it now, that it would look better if it had an elbow, but it really doesn't look bad at all. So that's the fix. And then I just spoke with Jeff, and they'll look back and see. I'm sure they'll work this out in the very next kit. They very friendly and easy to work with. I've just had to call them twice just on this one particular issue, and no problems. Just I think this is going to be just fine. There's no kink. It looks good enough for me. But I wanted to update you, so if you do receive a kit and it happens to have a stiff hose, then yeah, just get one that has a little more flexibility. On to the next one.